You didn't need anything 5 minutes ago. Then you opened your phone, saw what everyone else seemingly has, and suddenly you do. This isn't weakness. It's one of the most effective financial pressure systems ever built. Here's what almost never makes it into the feed. The loan behind the car, the credit card behind the vacation, the financing behind a renovation. You're not comparing your full financial reality to someone else's. You're comparing your reality to their highlight reel. Only ever seeing one side of the story. You're comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. Seeing other people's purchases triggers a real urge to match it, even when you know it's just a highlight reel. Platforms are also built to show you more of whatever keeps you engaged, which often means more aspirational, comparison-triggering content. It's not an accident that scrolling and spending urges rise together. Scroll. See the highlight reel. Feel behind. Spend to catch up. Post your own win. Someone else sees it, the cycle continues. It's a loop, and everyone's feeding it to everyone else. The people who avoid this trap the best usually haven't quit social media. They've decoupled their spending decisions from it entirely. They let their own goals and numbers drive purchases, not what shows up in their feed that day. Nobody's highlight reel should be part of your budget. Your budget shouldn't answer to anyone else's feed. So here's how to break the cycle. 1. Notice when a spending urge shows up right after scrolling. 2. Remind yourself that you're seeing a highlight reel, not the full picture. 3. Make every purchase on your own goals and numbers. Subscribe for weekly money truths. If you've ever caught yourself shopping right after scrolling, every week I break down one money habit that's quietly making people rich.